I want to share my thought on Teachers' Day. But first of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me a great speech on this brilliant occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers really play an important role in the education and the life of students. Teachers usually become individuals with proper vision, knowledge and experience. The teacher has many important roles in the education, society and country and the life of student. The development and growth of the people, society, country depend on the quality of education which is given only by a great teacher. Dear teachers, it is saying that a great teacher, real teacher, best teacher, brilliant teacher teaches from his heart, not from the book, and you are from them. Our teachers do not consider us less than our own children and teach us with a great spirit and diligently. As a children, we need inspiration and encouragement in our life, which we definitely get from our teachers. Dear teachers, we all will be truly grateful to you forever. Now I am going to conclude my speech. Thank you all for being here and making this program a success. But dear teachers, it is also saying that you are not only our teachers, you are our friend, philosopher and guide. Thank you.